The Autolock Electric Random Orbital Sander boasts a powerful 350-watt brushless motor that ensures a longer lifespan and superior durability compared to traditional sanders. With interchangeable 5 and 6-inch sanding sheets, this sander can handle diverse tasks on various surfaces, providing precise and flawless results. Its built-in vacuum port and external dust removal system keep your workspace clean, while the enhanced heat dissipation prevents overheating during extended use. The sander comes with a comprehensive accessory kit, including a long cable and vacuum hose for easy maneuverability, ensuring a smooth sanding experience. This versatile sander can be used for sanding walls, removing rust, polishing automotive parts, and working with wood, making it suitable for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. With a maximum speed of 10,000 revolutions per minute and 6 adjustable speed settings, this sander delivers professional-level results for any project.